Hello Udemy, I am Shazad Ahmed from Shakespeare. Today we are going to discuss about the margins. So what is the margin and how can you use the margin? First of all, you have your one single element. If I'm creating another element with the same class, so you have same element, but I'm renaming my class for suppose second. So second is my class, and now I'm calling this class with dot. So as you know, okay, add the same styling. First of all, refresh the page. You have two different types of paragraphs. So first of all, what is the margin? In the CSS, margin properties are used to create the space around the elements. Make sure outside of the defined border. For suppose if you want to add the margins on these elements from the top, left, right and bottom, let me show. I'm saying add some spaces between them first of all, or add some space bottom of this element. So how can I do that? So this is my first element and this is my second element, so this is my second element. Now I have to call this class, so I have already called, so I need to write the margin here. So the syntax is margin and the bottom. You are saying add some space from the bottom. I'm saying 50 pixel, add 50 pixel. You always write your margins 50 pixel. Refresh the page. So now as you can see, you are adding the margin the bottom. If I'm saying add some margin from the top, and I'm saying add 50 pixel, go to your page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, you are adding the margin from the top. You can also use the left and also use the right margins. How can you do that? I'm saying the margin left 100 pixel, refresh the page. So now as you can see, you are using the margin 100 pixel. If I'm saying the same margin 50 pixel, so as you can see, this is the 50 pixel margin. You are saying add some space outside of the element 50 pixel. Make sure outside of the element, not inside. Okay, we will discuss about the inside, which is the padding, in our next lecture, but for now this is the margin. You can also use the margin right. Okay, I'm saying 50 pixel, refresh the page. Now as you can see, you have just added the margin, okay, outside of the element. Okay, so now you are using the bottom, top, left, right. Why you are repeating the same code? You can also use the single margin command or the property. I'm saying add the 50 pixel from the top, add the 50 pixel from the left, add the 50 pixel from the bottom, add the 50 pixel from the left. Sorry, so this is top, right, bottom, left. It's a clockwise. Okay, remove these lines, refresh the page. Now as you can see, it's working fine. If you are adding separately, you have to use the position bottom, top, left, right. If you are using just the margin, you can assign values like this. Okay, if I'm saying add the 0 pixel from the top, add the 0 pixel from the right, add the 20 pixel from the bottom, and add the 50 pixel from the left. So go to your, save your file, go to your page, refresh the page. Now as you can see, you have added these values on this element, first element. So in this way the margin works. So in the next lecture we are going to cover the padding topic. So thank you for watching.